Hello and good morning, my dear tiny tots. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at your home. I am your Khushbu ma'am. Children, today in our numeracy space, we are going to learn a new number 12. आज हम हमारे न्यूमरेसी स्पेस में कौन सा नंबर पढ़ने वाले हैं? नंबर 12. But before that, we will quickly revise all the numbers which we have already learned. We will revise the numbers and count the objects also. आज हम नंबर्स का रिवीजन काउंटिंग के साथ करने वाले हैं. Children, do with me. Roll your hands. Yes. Wave your hands. Yes. Close your hands. Open your hands. Close your hands. Open your hands. Yes. Close your hands. Now let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1, 11. Children, which number is this? Yes, number 1. Number 1. Children, how many dogs are there? Count with me. 1. There is 1 dog. What comes after number 1? Yes, number 2. Number 2. Children, how many bags are there? Count with me. 1, 2. There are 2 bags. What comes after number 2? Yes, number 3. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. How many lollipops are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 lollipops. What comes after number 3? Yes, number 4. Number 4. Wow! Children, what are these? Yummy, yummy ice cream cones. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 ice cream cones. What comes after number 4? Correct. Number 5. Number 5. There are nail paints. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 nail paints. And what comes after number 5? Yes, number 6. Number 6. There are hairbands. How many hairbands are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 hairbands. Children, tell me, what comes after number 6? Yes, number 7. Number 7. How many pens are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 pens. Now tell me children, what comes after number 7? Yes, number 8. Number 8. Children, how many pencils are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pencils. Now, what comes after number 8? Correct. Number 9. Number 9. Children, there are sharpeners. How many sharpeners are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 sharpeners. What comes after number 9? Number 10. Number 10. There are chalks. There are chalks. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And tell me children, what comes after number 10? Good job! 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. There are crayons. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 crayons. Now we are going to learn a new number. Number 12. Number 12. 1, 2, 12. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 12. Number 12. There are watercolor bottles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 watercolor bottles. There are coins. How many coins are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 coins. Children, there are spoons. How many spoons are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 spoons. Look children, what is this? Wow, colorful balls. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 balls. Children, ma'am will give you one practice worksheet. Let's see the worksheet. Children, in this worksheet, you have to count the spoons and color them, and you have to trace the number 12 and color it. ये वर्कशीट में आपको स्पून्स को काउंट करना है और उसके अंदर कलर करना है और नंबर 12 को ट्रेस करना है और उसके अंदर कलर करना है. Children, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned through it. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. See you soon.